Welcome to this explainer. Let's uncover exactly why your habits fail and how to fix them completely effortlessly.
It's January 1st, or some motivated Monday, right? You swear this time you'll actually stick to it. But then reality hits. Forget those crazy 5 a.m. clubs. Life gets busy, and discipline totally vanishes.
Here's a massive reframe. You don't lack discipline. You're just fighting a losing war against everyday friction.
The secret? Be strategically lazy. Achieve way more by doing less, using a friction map.
Just audit your environment, eliminate those annoying friction points, and completely automate your good habits.
See, true productivity isn't adding more stuff. It's actually stripping away the things that just don't matter.
Like a buried gym bag that forces dozens of tiny draining decisions before you even break a sweat.
So automate it. Lay out your clothes at night. Make the decision before you even wake up.
Treat your habits like a startup's minimum viable product. Find the absolute easiest version of progress. This brings us to Kaizen, the brilliant Japanese philosophy of making steady, tiny, daily improvements.
Forget those massive leaps. Focus entirely on just a 1% improvement every single day.
Run tiny experiments instead. Say, I'll just walk for 20 minutes for 20 days.
Seriously, lower the bar. You're just a scientist right now, casually collecting data on what actually works.
This kicks off the confidence flywheel, a loop that builds absolutely insane momentum over time.
Because confidence comes from taking action. Every tiny habit is a powerful vote for your new identity.
As that self-belief grows, the flywheel literally takes over, spinning completely on its own.
But what happens when you mess up? Enter shikatagai, the Japanese concept of it is what it is.
Flight delayed? Project failed? Don't waste your precious energy stressing over things you can't control. Instead, instantly redirect that energy into the very next step of minimal viable progress you can control.
Don't blindly copy some guru's rigid path. Align your new habits with your own unique strengths.
To map out your friction and track those 1% daily wins, grab the free tracker linked below.
Stop burning out in the valley of despair. What is your first tiny experiment going to be today?